Hello friends, welcome to Momentum Stocks. Time now is 12:48 p.m. We are creating a buy position in Bank Nifty. We are creating a buy position here after this particular support and expecting a target of this level, friends. Okay, this level is where today's opening also happened. So it should be a kind of a V-shaped recovery for us to hit this target. Okay, the buy position is already created. Let's wait and see. So to give you a brief, see where is our stop loss? Not at this point. We are keeping our stop loss before that, after this and before that. So because once it touches this, next thing that is going to happen is this, friends. So after this and before this is where our stop loss is, and our target is this here where it is 40,513, friends. Okay, that would be our target. So to give you a brief, the position is created as at 40,325. Stop loss is 40,270 and target is 40,530. So we are expecting around 200 or 180 points upward momentum from here, friends. Okay, let's wait and see how this performs. And just to give you a brief, see, this is the trend line, which is an important trend line which has to break for us to reach our target, and this is a minor trend line which is also an important trend line to be broken for us to reach our target. I'll give you all the reasons once the momentum is completed on either side, buy side or sell side, friends. Okay, that's making it a risk to reward ratio of 1:3, little too high, but yes, that's how much we can expect out of this trade, because the next level of resistance is somewhere here. These are not resistances, friend. This is a proper resistance that I see. Okay, so let's wait and see how this performs, friends. So friends, we are keeping this as a target. Here there was a kind of a double top. Instead of this resistance, we'll target this resistance, friends. Okay, anyways, if we come till here, once we come here, we'll take our decision whether we have to move our stop loss or target till this point or not. Okay, anyways, let's wait and see how this performs, and I'll give you all the reasons once the momentum is done, friends. So friends, you can see we are little above 1:1 now. I understand we had hit our stop loss, but we have not taken an exit. The reason being, there was not one candle that actually sustained below the stop loss. Now we are working with a risk to reward ratio of 1:4. Okay, which very much means that we can increase our stop loss, friends. Even if I keep my stop loss somewhere here, okay, which it has not hit, at this point in time, we have made more than 1.1:1, friends. So with that intention, I have still stayed with the trade. Now if it was showing us weakness here and there were red candles which were formed below this area, I would have taken an exit. But in this case, we see a proper upward momentum. This area is already broken, so we can still wait for a bigger target, friends. So this can be our target, and finally this can be our final target. If it has to go up from here, and if it is steeply going up, we'll stay for this top as our target, friends. Reason being very simple. Diwali is just around the corner, and Indian markets are sentimental markets, friends. We cannot expect them to fall when something like Diwali is around the corner. Yeah, let's wait and see how this performs, and I'll keep you posted once the trade is exited, friends. And if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon to get updates on such videos. and to learn how to trade on Indian stock markets, friends. See friends, now perfect example of a breakout followed by a retest to this particular trend line which we have drawn initially. Okay, so once this retest is done, there has to be another breakout which is for this trend line. I'll put it in another color so that it is clear. Let's make it purple or violet, whatever color that is, and I'll darken it so that it is visible. So simple breakout, retest and continuation of the trend. That's what is going to happen now, and that is our target where we will take a partial exit. This would be our full exit, friends. Okay, and Diwali, yes, of course there is a very good chance of a further upward momentum. Let's wait and see how this performs. Once this is done, as I mentioned, I'm going to give you the entire reason for the trade as to what made us take it here, okay, and everything. Okay, let's wait and see how this performs now. So friends, as you can see, this was our initial target which is met. Okay, now as I mentioned, I'm going to give you all the reasons for the trade. We will take an exit somewhere here or here. I'm still bullish on it, but understanding that we have been recording for more than 1.5 hour, I'm going to stop the recording here. But before that, I'm going to give you all the reasons for the trade. So friends, very simple. Now before I give you the reason for the trade, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you would get all the notifications that I have been posting on the channel, friends. And that is the link for our Telegram channel on the bottom. Make sure you see that as well. Okay, so simple, friends. See, look at this. If we move to 5 minutes chart, okay, and if I draw a Fibo from the swing low to the high, okay, this is your swing low here to the high. This is your first level of retracement, friends. What is the level? 40,317. Okay, look at where the high is here. Okay, that is at 40,327. And if I move it to 1 minute, you can see that our trade was taken exactly there. 26, 27, 1, 2 rupees here and there. By the time we get the trade, it is quite common for us to lose that a rupee or two, friends. That's very much natural. Second reason, if I'm moving to 5 minutes, friends, okay, here we see something called a doji. Let me show that doji to you. See, this is a doji candle. What candle is that? That candle is for 1240. We see something called a doji and we entered at doji. When there is a rally like this and there is a doji, usually there is a trend reversal. Now, did the trend reversal happen immediately? The answer is no. It went further below and then gave an upward momentum. That is your reason number 2. Reason number 3, this is your gap. So all this gap filling is already done. Now for it to go ahead and fill this gap, and that too when Diwali is just a day or two away. Will it happen? The answer is no. That is not how Indian markets would ever behave. Whenever there is such a festival called like Diwali, we are bullish. Okay, everyone is bullish in Indian markets. That is your reason number 3. Okay, and with these 3 reasons is what we took a trade here and could achieve a very good target here. If you enjoyed the reasons and like them, please give a like and also hit that subscribe button so that you would not miss on any videos that are coming on the channel. Another thing, friends, yesterday's video was a live shoot. I mean, I went live yesterday and I wonder why it is not showing up on YouTube. But then yes, that was also given and we had good targets on that video as well, friends. Anyways, if you can see, now we are very close to our target, which is around 40,580 levels, or 573 to be very precise. I was expecting something at 580 levels, friends. Anyways, we are very close to the target. We can either take exit or wait for further upper targets, or even trail our stop loss to this swing low, friends. This area, this particular line. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead.